What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day today. We're talking about Shiba Inu in today's specific video, guys. And before we do that, make sure you smash that like button and the subscribe button so you guys never miss a new video that we post every single day. Again, guys, there's a lot of pieces of news that we're going to cover today. And at the very end of this video, we're going to get into some crazy news about Coinbase and a new potential partnership with Shiba Inu that could be coming very soon. So make sure you watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss that. Let's start here, though. Shytoshi tweets out, interesting. Very vague, very cryptic. We don't know what this means, obviously, right? But what this could be in reference to is the Coinbase partnership that I'm going to get into in a little bit here. But either way, a lot of people in the comments below, of course, are speculating. What could this mean? What is this about? Why is he saying interesting? It's cryptic, right? And again, there could be a million things that people could guess as to what this could be. We could go into the quote tweets and, see a lot of people are just kind of joking around, making jokes and everything. I would love to know in the comments below, guys, what do you think Shytoshi is planning? Or what do you think he's saying interesting to? Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel. And if you don't want to talk about that, let me know how you feel about Shiba Inu. Are you holding? Are you selling? What are you doing? I would love to know your overall thoughts about this token in the comments down below. If you haven't already, guys, I want to recommend that you guys join our private Discord with the second link down in the description below. One of the best ways to get access to our buy and sell alerts. Plus, you get one-on-one interactions in the Discord and Patreon with us exclusively. You also get daily crypto alerts. This includes our buy alerts when we are buying. It also includes first look at new cryptos that we're looking to get into. And of course, crypto market strategies and updates and articles and information that we come across that we think that you might find useful. If any of that sounds interesting, hit that second link down in the description below and get signed up. I know you guys will enjoy it. I think you guys will find a lot of value in it. And I think you guys overall will have a very good time with that either way, though, guys. Overall, Shiba Inu down about 1% today, guys. Overall markets are doing pretty decent, right? Up about 30% or 0.30% rather. But again, could go either way by the end of the day today, guys. A little bit choppy, a little bit volatile in the markets. And again, nothing I'm really worried about. I'm a long-term holder of Shib to begin with. And again, guys, this is why I always try to tell you guys in the comments below, be safe, right? You guys need to be investing with money that you are either willing to lose or you're too invested, right? You have too much money in a token. And if you're super anxious or super stressed out, whatever it might be, it's important to manage your risk. And I think that's something that we preach here a lot at Finance Bro to try and keep you guys aware, educated, and of course, informed. Let's get into some news, though. As you can see, Twitter is calling on Airbnb to accept Shiba Inu as, more than likely, a payment source. This is interesting. Let's read a little bit more and see what this entails. Milkshake at Airbnb, if you are ready to take on crypto payments, let me formally introduce you to Shiba Inu. DMs are open. I'm sure you heard of us. The most exciting community in all of crypto. And then, of course, we have Gossip Shib also tweeting out pretty much something similar in the same exact air to try and get Shiba Inu of course, accepted by Airbnb as a payment source. And I think that that is something that most people can rally around, most people can get excited about, and something that will help the overall community continue to grow and flourish, guys. The biggest thing, the biggest reason why we could potentially see success with Shiba Inu is utility. Utility is so key. When I say utility, I'm talking about payment systems. I'm talking about the ability to use Shiba Inu as more than just an investment, right? As more than just something that you're putting money in hoping that it's going to increase. This is something that you can use in your day-to-day life as payment at a store or something entirely else. You could use it to do things in real life. And that is why I think that this Airbnb, hopefully pledge or I guess a proposition, if you will, hopefully this becomes something more than just a proposition. Hopefully this doesn't just kind of fall by the wayside and we never hear about it again. Hopefully that's the case. We will have to see, though, guys. Again, make sure to hit that sub button so you guys never miss when it does. Next thing, why is the Shiba Inu community hoarding on native token Bone? You might know the answer to this, you might not. But again, what is very interesting about Bone, guys, is that Bone is going to be something that is super important to the Shiba Inu metaverse. And of course, voting as well. Voting rights are going to be very important with the release of Shibarium. Now, we are seeing a super high volume of buyers as far as Bone is concerned, and you might be wondering why is that the case? And it's more than likely just people are trying to accumulate, right? People want voting power, people want to get in before if there's a potential run that could be happening. Again, it's something very interesting that I think most people are kind of overlooking right now. And even though it's going to be the native gas token, right, on Shiba Inu's layer 2 solution, Shibarium, I think that's something that kind of spikes my interest, right? The fact that we're seeing this much buying volume in such a short amount of time. I'm very interested to see how this plays out and what we could potentially see as far as gains, maybe gains. We'll see. Keep it locked here so you guys don't miss that. But last little thing, guys, the Shiba Inu whales, are they trying to time the market? Are they trying to buy the market bottom. We know that Shiba Inu has been moving pretty much in ways that nobody likes the way that it's moving, except for like over here, like a couple of weeks ago, basically at the beginning of February. That was nice. We liked that. But now we're in these kind of areas right now where it's like, nobody likes that, right? But again, are the whales in control? Do the whales know something that we don't? As you can see, a new Shib whale was born and he holds over 442 billion. That's not million, that's a billion Shiba Inu, valued at over $11 million, guys. And that's not the only whale. There's more and more whales that are buying huge amounts of Shiba Inu every single day. This is becoming one of the top % holdings of these whales' overall portfolios. 18% of whales hold Shiba Inu in their portfolio. 18% of Ethereum whales, the top 1,000 at least. That's nuts. That's nuts. Why are they doing that? And again, you could let me know in the comments below if you guys have an idea. I think that, full disclosure, I think that maybe they might actually be trying to time the market. I think they might be trying to buy the bottom, get in at a good cost average at these lower prices. These are like the lowest prices we've experienced in literal months on Shiba Inu if you go like all the way back. Again, those prices are low right now, and I think whales might be trying to take advantage of that. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Again, I think that we will recover quite nicely here as soon as Shiba Inu starts to recover a little bit. Really quick though, guys, we might be getting a Shiboshi edition in Coinbase. As you can see, Coinbase says incoming. Sometimes a project comes along and flips the script. Let's welcome our next launch partners who did exactly that. Gossip Sheep says hashtag Shiboshis question mark. It very well could be. I actually legitimately think that this could potentially be Shiboshis in some kind of capacity getting listed on this, of course, site. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I always love to know your guys' overall thoughts and opinions. That's the way we do it here. Other than that, though, guys, again, Shiba Inu is moving pretty stable at this point. Not too much downside, not too much upside. Hopefully, we see some further upside in the future. Let me know, obviously, what you think. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.